Okay, so today I'm gonna explain you how to make a fertilizer from the cow or buffalo's waste, and this one's a really easy process. All you need one container, some water inside. It's just a simple water, plain, and just get this uh, cow waste one. So what you have to do, dip this one in the water and pour more water on top. So make sure it's like filled. It's coming up. So this one's coming up. So what you have to do, just keep like this. So see, it's taking the water. So leave this process for at least 2-3 hours. Some people leave it for like a 24 hours, but I don't think so. You need that way. Just for 2-3 hours, it's gonna wet. So once this thing's process finished, I'll let you know how to make it. Okay, so after 3 hours, you can see it's totally turned to black, this whole water color. So you can use this water also. What I reckon you, because this water is really strong, so try to avoid and grab your dung here. You can see the color there. It's really like black. So put here. Either you can break this one with a hand, but I'll use something like a hammer or something. It's more easy, like this one. It's all breaking so quick. You don't need to really struggle. So this way you can do. So after 3 hours, you can see how it turned. This whole, you can see how nice this fertilizer become now. So you can use this one, but just put this one in a sun for a few hours. Let these things dry first. And the second thing, don't use this fertilizer like a direct to your plants straight away. What you have to do, just take some soil and take this small portion like this and mix with any soil and use this one, because this one is really strong. You can't use it direct there, but this one is like the best fertilizer because it's really rich in nitrogen and phosphorus and so many different kind of nutritions. So this one the best one alone itself if you use. But if you want to make it more strong, you can use this one with the banana peel fertilizers. So they both are really good. In my next video I will explain you how to use this for your plants.